I feel like I'm constantly on a search for a better steak dinner. And one notable voice in the steak conversation is Chef Linton Hopkins of C. Ellet Steakhouse in Atlanta. His version has steak that's pan-seared in a cast iron pan. You put a sprig of thyme on top of the steak and baste it all with the dark butter, and as you baste it, the sprig of thyme sparks and sizzles. It's very dramatic, and it makes for a great steak. The steak is served with buttered onions and broccoli rabe. While the steak is resting, you cook your broccoli rabe in the steak pan with chili paste, lemon, salt and pepper, and it gives it this lovely sweet and salty character that is totally not your mama's broccoli rabe. Chef Linton pairs it with a Chilean red field blend, which he calls a who's who of grapes that love a good steak. So there's Syrah, Cabernet, Carmenere, Malbec, Petit Verdot, and Mourvedre. The result is full-bodied and fruity, but also meaty and with spicy herbaceous tones. I feel like the search for a better steak dinner is over.